So you want to learn how to get more likes on your Fortnite TikTok videos in 2024. Let me help you out. Today, we've got some top tips to help you boost your likes on your Fortnite TikTok videos in 2024. Whether you're showcasing epic wins, funny moments, or creative clips, these strategies will help you stand out and get noticed on the platform. So, let's dive right in. First up, it's all about the hook. You need to grab your viewers' attention right from the start. Whether it's an impressive trick shot or a hilarious meme, make sure your opening seconds are captivating enough to stop people scrolling. Once you've hooked your audience, it's time to focus on quality content, whether you're showcasing your skills, sharing tips and tricks, or just having fun. Make sure your videos are visually appealing and engaging. Next, let's talk about timing. Posting your TikTok videos at the right time can significantly impact their reach and engagement. Pay attention to when your audience is most active and try to schedule your uploads accordingly. Now, let's not forget about hashtags. They're crucial for increasing the discoverability of your content. Use relevant hashtags like hashtag Fortnite, hashtag gaming, and hashtag TikTok to reach a wider audience and attract more likes. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are enjoying this video. And comment your TikTok name so I can go like all of your Fortnite videos. Finally, don't underestimate the power of engagement. Respond to comments, like and share other creators' content, and collaborate with fellow Fortnite content creators. Building a supportive community can help boost your likes and grow your following. And there you have it, the top tips for getting more likes on your Fortnite TikTok videos in 2024. Remember to hook your audience, focus on quality content, post at the right time, use hashtags effectively, and engage with your community. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Fortnite content. See you next time.